The climate has changed. We were in this beautiful weather of Thimphu, and the outcome of this meeting has changed the climate between India and Pakistan.
The two foreign ministers agreed to have to build confidence on both sides to take the process forward. Foreign Minister Qureshi will be engaging with his Indian counterpart to fix an appropriate time at the earliest for this engagement. The foreign minister said all issues are on the table and will be discussed, including Sir Creek and Kashmir. He said both nations need to adopt a common approach to fighting terror, as Manmohan Singh also said India does not want to destabilize Pakistan.
All issues, when I say all issues, it means Siachen, it means Sir Creek, it means Kashmir, it means security issues, all issues. The dialogue is going to be all-encompassing.
On the issue of water, he said the region is coming under increasing threat. Therefore, water management is the need of the hour. On the other hand, Indian Foreign Secretary Nirupama Rao also concurred that the talks went well and that relations should be normalized, with both Prime Ministers agreeing that talks were the only way forward. She also agreed that Indo-Pak cooperation is vital for SAARC to be effective. Let's hope this time around domestic pressure does not get in the way of diplomacy the way it did after the two Prime Ministers met at Sharm el-Sheikh. Mary Naga, Dawn News.